BLACK+DECKER MTC220 20-volt max cordless 12 inches lithium-ion 3-in-1 trimmer, edger and mower plus 2 batteries. BLACK+DECKER 3-in-1 trimmer, edger and mower make your landscaping easier. Offering the versatility of the best small yards and gardens, this innovative edge trimmer, gauge and mower gives you 3 types of landscaping functions in one compact tool. The lithium-ion cordless trimmer has a compact footprint that makes it the ideal lawn mower, string trimmer, and edger for homes with small yards up to 1,200 square feet, as well as yards with small slopes or areas that are difficult to reach. It has a durable lawnmower base deck with 4 wheels that secures the 12 inches mowing swath. Foot pedal release allows for quick insertion and removal of the trimmer edger as you move from mowing to trim or edging. The mower deck also has 2 heights adjustment options that raise or lower all 4 wheels. PowerDrive Transmission maintains a constant speed that won't stall during trimming, an AFS Auto Feed System for continuous and automatic track advance without crashing. Auto Feed Reel AFS ensures continuous work without crashing and having to stop to adjust the spool. 3 tools in one, easily convert from mower to trimmer to edger. PowerDrive Transmission. Prevent getting stuck in dense grass and weeds. The adjustable height deck and the trimmer and rotating handle provide maximum comfort, control, and the ideal cutting height. The lithium-ion cordless trimmer includes 2 batteries for extended runtime. Lightweight ergonomic design with adjustable height and grip positions provides maximum comfort and control. Also available in a wired version so you can choose the right option for your yard.